Okay, thank you for tuning in. This is Chico on It's Me Chico. So today we're talking about packing cubes, traveling abroad, our 2-week trip to Europe, out of packing cubes. I'm gonna give it to you, the lowdown. But before anything, subscribe, like, and share. Comment below as well. Ask me any questions about the products, about exactly how I packed, but I'm gonna show you right now. Going into the quality of these packing cubes from the outside, you know, this is a durable plastics, like a nice cloth. It's not gonna get ripped through. You can see it's pretty thin. However, it's light enough and durable enough to not puncture. Love the little logo here. It's not gonna wash off. Got their tag. These zippers, from what I can tell, these zippers are pretty good, you know. I believe they're of high quality. I haven't had any trouble out of them, so I can tell you, you get 2 large cubes. You get 2 of these. These are almost like a medium. And then you get 1 for shoes. This is actually the 5-pack. I believe there's 2 in a 5. So I bought the 5-pack in the gray, but overall they're great. I highly recommend them on your next trip. They fit perfectly inside of a pack. I was using the Amazon Basic pack, and I'll put the link down below for that as well. I did another review on that. So we're packing some bags here. You're taking them out. As you see, there's 5. So we're just gonna begin to pack. As you see, we have 7 shirts and 3 pair of pants, which are the Columbia quick dry pants, and a pair of quick dry Nike shorts. So we're gonna pack those all up. So we're gonna do some folding. We got 3 pants. We're just gonna begin to fold here, as you can see. Quick rolls, and I usually roll all my pants and all my shirts. It's easier to stow away. So there's 3. Now we're gonna move on to the shirts. And we're gonna count them out, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now the shirts that I use are quick dry as well, so we're able to wash those and they can dry quickly, and easier for packing as well. So we're just going to do a quick roll again for the pack. Fold over, simple roll. There's 1 shirt. So I'm going to roll that 7. And now we're going to put the shirts into 1 bag. And we fit 7 in there comfortably. With the pair of shorts. However, when I was on my trip, I put the 7 shirts and those shorts in 1 bag, along with 2 pair of socks. And we were able to fit everything in that 1 bag, along with 2 pair of socks that I was able to jam in there. And use the compression zipper to compress the entire bag down. Makes it for easier stow. So once we compress the bag down, as you can see, small, easily fit into your pack. Now we're going to put our pants in there. We do it the long way. There's quite a bit of space left, so I did all 3, plus I did the rest of my boxers, socks, and also a belt in there, because I had a pair of jeans that I took with me. So overall, great bags. So you can see here, 2 bags, they fit well off into a pack.
That's the Amazon basic pack, but you can see they fit very well, a lot of room, and that there lasted for 2 full weeks in Europe. Did 1 load of laundry at the midpoint halfway through the trip, but used a big bag for dirty laundry. Awesome pack.